gas, yeah. Run out of gas, yeah. Made a bitch fall in love, yeah. Do in the trash, yeah.
What's up, Fave fam? We back with another video now. We got my boy Lamarcus. Hey, if you new, go ahead and subscribe. We're trying to reach 100K. Go ahead and get there. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and subscribe to your boy. And click that bell notification while you're at. Also, to start this off, we're gonna brush the hair or comb it. I comb some sections and I just brush some sections. Now to start this off, we're gonna go in with the ball guideline. Just simply start setting it in by following all the way down to the ear and from the edge of the eyebrow all the way down to the ear, and follow it and ball out underneath. Now here we're going in lever open and just go up with your one guard, and then your 1.5, and work your way back down, you know, to get that fade effect to it. Also, make sure you're combing and brushing the hair down thoroughly so you can make sure you can see what you're doing. And right now we're just going in with the 1.5, and then we're gonna work our way back down, ladies and gentlemen. Ain't gonna lie, we had to get to work with this for half guard. I ain't gonna lie, we had to do some detailing. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all just sit back and enjoy this. Hey, if you like how this, you know what I'm saying, taper coming out, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe and click that bell notification if you haven't already. Comment how you think the haircut came out, and like the video. Now we're just simply going in and just detailing the hair. I mean, I'm just doing lever play. Just pick at certain spots and just take it out. Now we're on to the back taper with the ball guideline, and just repeat the same steps, and you get the same thing as you did with that side taper. Hey, talk to me in the comments, man. Talk to me in the comments. See how y'all day going and everything. You know what I'm saying? A little check on y'all. Check on the Fave fam real fast. But yeah, go ahead and tell me how your day going in the comments. Now I'll get back to you when I can. Now here we're just simply taking down over his nape lineup with a 1.5 guard, and then just proceed to line it up. Now for the lineup prep, I just simply apply alcohol and got to be holding spray to the skin and the hair. Well, not the hair, just the skin really. On the got to be holding spray, and then just brush it down afterwards. And also make sure we went with a 1.5 to taper his line. I already had cut it down previously before, and then just line them up. And just like so. It's beautiful. Just watch it. Now here we're applying the enhancements per client request. We're just going with the spray first, and then secondly we just go in with the fibers after that. It's pretty simple. Also, I know barbers like mainly in Mississippi, they'll like do like chalk on the whole lineup. So I do like mainly like the vertical bars, and if they want C-cup, and I'll do C-cup as well to make myself different and just stand out that way. It's finna get real spicy in a quick sec. Look at this, look at this. Wait for it, here you go. Look at this face. I ain't even see that. I ain't even know about that until I seen the playback, bro. Yeah, we line it up again one more time. Then we edge him up with the razor, and then pretty much my boy locked in, and he pretty much done then. But yeah, this how you do a hot taper, y'all. If you like the haircut, like the video. And if you want to see more like this, comment down below and subscribe and click that bell notification while you down there. Y'all, this is the before. And this is the after, y'all. If you like this haircut, like the video, comment what you think about the haircut. Rated a 1 through a 10. Let me know. Subscribe. Triiipleooo out. Peace.
Payback tags, yeah. Run out of gas, yeah. Made a bitch fall in love, yeah. Doing the trash, yeah.